Assalamualaikum, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to be giving a review of the VolksWegen Beetle. Um, the Type 1 of the VolksWegen Beetle was manufactured from 1971 to 1973. Um, it was manufactured by VolksWagen. It was also called as the Beetle, Super Beetle, Bug, Super Bug, and etc. The production of this car was from 1938 to 2003, and 21,529,464 of these were built, from which 15,444,858 were in Germany, and from which 330,251 were carbines. The assembly of this car were in many places, for example, Germany, Australia, Britain, Brazil, Finland, Indonesia, Israel, and many places, for example, Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, and South Africa, and many of these countries. This car is actually an economical car. The body style of this car is two-door cylinder, or you can say a two-door convertible. It has an RR layout and it was related to the Volkswagen Type 2. The engine is a 1100cc and the transmission of this car is 4-speed manual front axle, 4-speed semi-automatic from 1961, and 3-speed semi-automatic auto stick from 1967 to 1976. The wheelbase of this car is 94.5 inches with a length of 160.6 inches and a width of 60.6 inches. The curb weight of this car is around 800 to 840 kg or 1,760 pounds to 1,850. This car was this car was designed by Fender Porsche, who designed Porsche, and this car was a front-wheel drive. Where it was actually started to produce when the World War II was going on, and only a significant figure of these cars were made. But after that, in 1940s, it started to be public. It was originally, I think, 25 horsepower vehicle, and at the as the speeds of the world started going up, the Volkswagen got to 40 horsepower, and the maximum speed of the 25 horsepower Beetle, which was the first, was around 100 kilometers, and then it was 40 horsepower. And the Type 2 bus is designed on this vehicle, and then the car combination, I think the most economical car combination started, and the Volkswagen Type 1 came fourth after the Ford Model T and the Mini, and the shortest this. It was the car century in 1999. Over the time, front-wheel drive and frequent hatchback bodies car would come and dominate the European small car market in 1974. Volkswagen owned front-wheel drive Golf hatchback succeeded the Beetle in 1994. Volkswagen unveiled the Concept 1 retro-themed concept car with a resemblance to the original Beetle. And in 1998, introduction to the new Beetle built on the Golden Golf platform with styling recalling the original Type 1. It remained in production through 2010 and was succeeded in 2011 by Beetle A5, which was also more inventive than the original Beetle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and write in the comment section below what kind of videos do you want me to make next. Thank you.